Do you know in our program why we write stdio.h with hash include in our program? Or we can wonder actually what is hash include stdio.h. So let's see. The question that arises in our mind is why. So it actually brings the topic of today, which is the preprocessors. Please watch the video till the end. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Okay, so let's begin. Preprocessors. The word pre means before and the word processor refers to making something. Instructs the compiler to do required pre-processing before the actual compilation. Let us see some examples. Macros includes hash define, file inclusion includes hash include, and conditional compilation includes elif, else, and if. Importance of preprocessors. So let's see. Preprocessor directives are typically used to make sure source programs easy to change and easy to compile in different execution environments. Directives in the source file tell the processor to take specific actions. Okay, let's implement. In the beginning of the program, we write hash include stdio.h, and then in the next line we give int main and the brackets. Then in the parenthesis we write printf. Let's say write welcome to computer Zen. Okay, and we give the semicolon. In the next line we write return 0, and then it's over, and then we will compile this. So we can see there are no compilation errors, and also that hash include stdio.h is the preprocessor. This is the preprocessor actually we were talking about. So if we run now, it gives no compilation errors, and now we will see what is in the output window, what comes under the output window. Okay, so what it came, welcome to computer Zen. So it printed the line we have told in the program to print. So this is how a preprocessor works in the program. In any program we always include this in the first line. What are preprocessor directives in C? Preprocessor directives are nothing but commands we used in the processor. Now what is the use of hash symbol? Now see, we have this program. Now if we remove that hash symbol, hash include, and only write that include stdio, then it will, what will happen? Let's see. See, it is giving an error. The preprocessor is giving an error. We cannot run this program. It will not run because it is giving an error code in our program. So we always have to include. We just cannot run it. It is saying that we cannot run, error expected. So we can see it cannot even run. We are compiling, and no, it cannot run. So now if we go and if we again include the hash, and if we try to run it, then it will again show no compilation errors, and then we will see whatever we have wrote in the output window. So this is the importance of hash. We know that in C we can use preprocessor directives anywhere in our program, but it is preferable to use them at the beginning of the program. This enhances the readability of the code. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Thank you.